Hello everyone, in this video we're gonna learn how to solve this challenging problem from Putnam channel. Alright, so we observe that x squared plus 1 right here. It tells us that we need to use substitution. Alright, so we're gonna let x equals tangent theta. Alright, so we're going to take the derivative both sides, so it turns out to be dx equals secant square theta d theta. Now we need to change the lower bounds and upper bounds to the new one. So when s equals 0 and 1, we have theta equal to theta is going to be 0 and theta is going to be pi over 4. Alright, now we have the new integral from 0 to pi over 4. Natural log of tangent theta plus 1 over tangent square theta plus 1. Alright, secant square theta d theta. Alright, now we have the first formula. We have tangent square theta plus 1 is going to be secant square theta. Alright, so basically this guy and then this guy right here cancel out. Alright, so we're going to end up with integral from 0 to pi over 4. Natural log of tangent theta now tangent theta I just rewrite as sine theta over cosine theta plus 1 d theta. Alright, next one, it turns out to be integral from 0 to pi over 4. I need to write this guy the same denominator, so it turns out to be natural log of sine theta plus cosine theta over cosine theta d theta. Alright, we have another formula. It could be sine theta plus cosine theta is going to be root 2 cosine pi over 4 minus theta. Alright, now I'm going to prove this formula. Alright, so we have root 2 cosine of pi over 4 minus theta. It's going to be, we're going to apply the formula cosine of a minus b is going to be cosine a cosine b plus sine a sine b. Alright, so it's going to be root 2 times cosine pi over 4 cosine theta plus sine pi over 4 sine theta. Alright, so it could be root 2 times root 2 over 2 cosine theta plus sine pi over 4, which means root 2 over 2 sine theta. Alright, now I factor root 2 over 2 outside, so it could be root 2 times root 2 over 2 times cosine data plus sine data. Alright, root 2 times root 2 is going to be 2. 2 divided by 2 is going to be 1. So the answer must be cosine data plus sine data, which is the left hand side. Right here. Okay. I rewrite this one. It's going to be integral from 0 to pi over 4 natural log of root 2 cosine pi over 4 minus data over cosine data. Alright. Now next one, we need to split this one. So it turns out to be the integral from 0 to pi over 4 natural log of root 2 plus natural log of cosine pi over 4 minus data. Alright, subtract natural log of cosine data d data. Alright, now we just split this one again. So it turns out to be this natural log of root 2 is going to be 2 power 1/2. Alright, so I bring 1/2 to the front, so it's going to be 1/2 integral from 0 to pi over 4 natural log of 2. Alright, this guy and this guy right here, it turns out to be plus integral from 0 to pi over 4 natural log of cosine pi over 4 minus data d data minus integral from 0 to pi over 4 natural log of cosine data d data. Alright, now next one, this guy and this guy actually they both the same, so it's cancelled out. Alright, now we need to prove that this guy and this guy are the same. Alright, so I call this I call this J. Okay, so I need to calculate I. So let S be pi over 4 minus data. Alright, so I'm going to take derivative both sides. So it turns out to be ds equals negative d data, or d data equals negative ds. Data equals 0 and pi over 4. And then I have s equals 0 and pi over 4 right here. Alright, now I substitute back over here, so I have I equals the integral from pi over 4 to 0 natural log of cosine s negative ds, so I put negative side right here. Alright, so it turns out to be I just change this one to positive and I just flip the values. Right, so it turns out to be the integral from 0 to pi over 4 natural log of cosine of s ds. Alright, now I just change the variable. So it could be integral from 0 to pi over 4 natural log of cosine data d data. Alright, and this is actually j. Alright, so then I minus j is going to be 0. Alright, I'm going to end up with this one. Alright, so this one becomes 1/2 natural log of 2 altogether data, and evaluate it from 0 to pi over 4. Alright, this is D data. Alright, so data equal pi over 4. So substitute over here. It turns out to be natural log of 2 times pi over 8. And this is the final answer. And it's good time to stop. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember that if you failing to prepare, you're preparing to fail.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine.